Do you remember when is the last time you stepped out of your house, went outside, or even traveled to other country? Ever since the occurrence of the COVID-19 pandemic, people around the globe are constantly challenged by many aspects in life. But no more worries, just around a few weeks ago, the COVID-19 vaccine has just landed on our country, Malaysia. But before getting vaccinated, do you really know why do we need to get vaccinated? Is it simply because other people are doing it? Today, Heng is going to share with you about the scientific principle behind vaccination. First of all, you will need to know what is really inside of a vaccine. A vaccine usually contains a beacon antigen or mRNA, the blueprint to make the antigen. These antigens usually derive from pathogens such as bacteria or virus that triggers our immune system to produce antibodies. While we all know antibodies are important to elicit a series of a stronger immune defense, where does it come from? When a pathogen breaks through your innate immunity or your skin, like when an intruder illegally enters a foreign country, an immune cell called B lymphocyte will come around to the infected area just like the army will arrive to the country border. The army force is what we call an adaptive immunity. The B cell act just like an army. They recognize the intruder just like B cells recognize the pathogen by bounding their antibodies on their cell surface to the antigen of a pathogen. Once bounded, the B cells are triggered and multiply in numbers just like how armies call for backups when they saw the intruder. Among the team of armies, some will remain as part of the backup and some of them will capture the intruder themselves. For armies that remain as backup, they will learn and remember the tactics to how to combat an intruder. This is similar to what we call a memory B cell or memory T cell, which is a type of white blood cell that will gain experience and execute faster in the next time they face the same pathogen. Moreover, we will also have some armies that will take action to deal with the intruder themselves. This is just like plasma cell, a type of B lymphocytes that will generate antibodies against the pathogen. Now coming back to the case of COVID-19 vaccination, your army in your body like B cells are triggered to produce memory B cells and memory T cells that remembers the virus and plasma cells that will help in combating the virus. Getting vaccinated is just like getting your own army of immune cells ready before you even get infected by the virus, so that your body acts faster and more efficiently against the virus before you even show any related symptoms. Think about it, if you don't study before an exam, you will fail. Just like when you don't get vaccinated, your body will fail in eliminating the virus. That's how important vaccination is. Now you know the scientific theory behind vaccination. Are you ready to protect yourself from the COVID-19 pandemic? You will never know how a single vaccinated person can contribute to the current pandemic by encouraging others to be vaccinated to protect your loved ones. So start getting vaccinated today. Help yourself, save others.